Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can publish to your Instagram stories right on Simplified Social Calendar. So first, to access the social media homepage, you can use this icon in the top left-hand corner and then click Social Media. From here, come to the Publishing tab on the left-hand side menu and you'll be brought to your calendar. Here is where all of your social media accounts will be connected. And to create a new post, I can either go to my desired date and click this plus icon, or I can use this new post button in the upper right-hand corner. Once you've done that, make sure that your Instagram icon is the only thing that's highlighted, and then go ahead and choose the story option. Now we want to upload a photo or a video. I'm going to use this plus icon, and from here you can either access your simplified media library or you can upload media directly from your device. To select a video, simply click. Make sure you download as a video if you're uploading a video, and if you're uploading a still image, you can either export as a PNG or a JPEG. And then click Export Now. In a few seconds, your video will upload. We can close this menu here, and now I'm going to hover my mouse over the video and then choose this cover option. This tool here allows me to customize my thumbnail of my video to any point in the video, or I can use custom image and upload an image that I want to be my cover. I like this option here, so I'm going to click Save Thumbnail, and there you go. Now, all that's left to do is schedule our post or save it as a draft if you still need to make changes to it. I'm going to schedule my post, select my desired date and time, and then click Schedule. Now you can see that my post is ready, scheduled, and will publish automatically at my selected date and time. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified Social Media Calendar can help you every step of the way. See you there.